Welcome back to our channel. Dear doctors, this video is about etchant and etching process. I am your friend aspects of etching one by one. Starting from why do we use an etchant, what is an etchant, how does an etchant actually works, its working time and how is etching done. Why to use an etchant? When doing a composite restoration, our primary aim is excellent bond strength. Etchant removes the smear layer, imparts better adhesion between tooth surface and bonding agent by unblocking the dentinal tubules and hence giving us a higher bond strength. What is an etchant? Waldent BESTEtch is 37% phosphoric acid. Ideal concentration used and mentioned in most textbooks is 37%. But why? Research and studies reveal that concentration of phosphoric acid when much lesser than 30% or above 40% reduces the bonding strength. How does etchant work? Etchant makes the surface irregular and increases the surface area, which simply means bonding agent has more surface to get bonded to and hence higher bond strength. It also increases micromechanical bonding. Let's see how. Etching forms micro-porosities on the enamel surface and bonding agent is able to penetrate these micro-porosities very well, which in turn forms micro and macro tags, thus leading to much better bonding of resin restoration to the surface. Etching also increases surface energy of enamel surface. Due to higher surface energy, bonding agent gets more attracted to enamel surface because of capillary action, thereby imparting better bond strength. Lastly, it removes the smear layer and also opens dentinal tubules for better adhesion of bonding agent. Coming to its working time, enamel has less organic and water content, while dentin has higher organic and water content, and also dentin has dense network of tubules.